Smart manufacturing helps our clients deliver medicine faster, at lower cost, and with greater resilience in the face of geopolitical uncertainty and human health crisis. You're an example of a client that implemented smart manufacturing principles in the area of supporting operators on the shop floor do their job right first time. So with digital work instructions using augmented or virtual reality, we can help operators deliver work right first time and at the same time record their compliance record in real time. And this means greater quality, less waste, and greater operator job satisfaction. IT-OT convergence is business critical because without IT-OT connectivity, there is no data. And data is the foundation for a connected factory, a smart factory, an efficient factory, a factory that is able to deliver medicines to patients fast. Connectivity feeds the data foundation. It ensures that the data is available from the right equipment, then being sent to the right data model, to the right user at the right time for them to be able to take the right decision. It is business critical to be intentional about IT-OT convergence. You can implement connectivity in pockets, but without a view to the entire manufacturing value chain, you will never gain a full value of your IT-OT connectivity.